Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest in tools and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of nail care with the GA&EN Metal Cuticle Pusher and Cutter. If you're on the hunt for the best nail scraper tool out there, you're in for a treat. Let's talk about what makes this product stand out from the rest. First off, its innovative triangle tip design sets it apart. Unlike traditional cuticle pushers, this latest design ensures precise removal of gel polish without risking any harm to your nails. It's all about control and precision with this one. Now, what good is a tool if it's slipping out of your hand? Fear not. The GA&EN Metal Cuticle Pusher comes with an anti-skid surface, making it a breeze to handle even during the most intricate nail procedures. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, durability and longevity are guaranteed with this tool. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned salon professional, this tool is built to last through countless manicures and pedicures. And here's the best part, it's not just for professionals. This tool is designed for both home and salon use, so you can achieve that salon-quality finish in the comfort of your own home. And if you're worried about customer satisfaction, don't be. GA&EN stands behind their product 100%, ensuring a worry-free shopping experience for all their customers. So there you have it, folks. The GA&EN Metal Cuticle Pusher and Cutter, the ultimate tool for achieving flawless nails every time. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy grooming.